Yoga is literally the union of body and mind. Body is important and also mind is important. And we need something that puts together. And in body and brain yoga, we use energy as a medium to connect body and mind.
A lot of people, when they hear about yoga, they'll think of a very specific set of exercises from India or from different traditions. This is from originally Korea. So it has a slightly different social and cultural background. And also the practice is a little bit more, you might say, energy martial arts, or rooted in things like acupressure and the meridians, the energy points. So in that sense, it's a little bit different, and some of the exercises and names that you'll see will be different.
Through movement and through that awareness, if you will, of the body, that's what's creating that experience of yoga. When my mind and my body are completely integrated.
The true essence is to bring together, to become one. Am I bringing my mind into my body at this moment and creating a stillness within that's not in judgment, not in thought? That is the true meaning of yoga.